First, please connect the wires to the corresponding positions of the control box and the transformer as shown in the video. Then turn on the circuit breaker on the right side of the control box. Pressing start button, the indicator light of green button will turn on. Then evenly and slowly turning handle off, voltage regulator clockwise, at the speed of 15kV S. Make high voltage gradually rise, at the same time, paying close attention to indication and testing products of ammeter until adjust the high voltage required by test. After the test is completed, turning the voltage regulator to 0 position and turn off the red stop switch and circuit breaker.